Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make drumstick pickle. Wait no longer, let's start. Before we start, let's see the ingredients with the measurements. Here I am giving measurements for 1 kg. So let's see the ingredients now. Drumstick 1 kg, garlic 200 grams, tamarind 150 grams, salt 250 grams, red chilli powder 250 grams, mustard powder 100 grams, fenugreek 50 grams, oil 250 grams. For seasoning, I am going to use red chilli and chana dal, black gram, zeera, mustard and curry leaves. Let's start the process. These drumsticks I got from my neighbor house. They have a big tree, so I just got some, and you can see these drumsticks are very fat, very healthy. So I felt like making some pickle. So let's start making the pickle. First we have to wash all these drumsticks nicely. Just clean them one by one like this, so that it will be completely clean. Sometimes we find some dust on them. Put them on a dry cloth just like this. Then wipe them nicely without any water droplet. Take one by one and wipe them nicely. And let them dry at least 1 hour. After they completely dry for 1 hour, we are going to cut them into small pieces. Here I am cutting small pieces since they are very fat. You can use your own cutting size. You can cut big or small, whichever size it is. We have done with the cutting. You can see here I have cut them into a small pieces since they are very healthy. Now I am going to fry them in the oil. Before that, we have to soak the tamarind. I'll just wash before I soak it. Now take a pan and pour little bit of oil that we already measured earlier. So now add little by little and fry them. When you are taking the pan, don't take the small one, take the bigger one so that they'll have a free place to move. Allow them to fry until they get pale brown color. Make sure that they should not get deep fried. Same way, even garlic also we have to fry in the oil. Some people use raw garlic itself, but here I am frying. We are done with the frying garlic and the drumstick. You can see here. Now The tamarind that we already kept for soaking is soaked well, so we have to grind it. We can also squeeze and take it, but I am going to use mixie for grinding. We are done with the grinding. You can see here it become like a paste. Now the tamarind paste we are going to fry it. So at least for 10 minutes we need to fry nicely in the same oil. After frying, you can see here it become a fine paste, and now we are going to put that into the pieces. Then add salt according to the measurement. Then chili powder. This chili powder we are going to take with the same measurement of the salt. Mustard powder. So I have grind the mustard and got the powder, so I am adding that. And the fenugreek powder. So this also I grinded and then took the powder. So this will be little lesser than the mustard powder, as I already told earlier, according to the measurement. So now mix them nicely. All together we have to mix it. Now we have to put seasoning. For seasoning I am going to use all these ingredients: red dry chili, chana dal, black gram, jeera or cumin, mustard and curry leaves. Pour the oil into pan according to our measurements. Once the oil is boiled, add all these ingredients one by one. First red dry chili, then chana dal, then black gram, finally we have to add curry leaves. Now bring the seasoning and pour it on the pickle and mix well. Just like that we have to mix. Friends, we are done with the drumstick pickle. You can see here. Now I am going to transfer this into a jar. So here I have taken a glass jar, as I told you previously, even in the previous video. So we have to use either ceramic or glass jar. Sometimes you can even use, if you don't have these two, you can even use the plastic, but generally plastic I don't suggest. Don't use the metal. Metal may react with this salt and the sourness in the pickle. This pickle may stay around 4 to 6 months if you keep it in a safe and dry place. Make sure whenever you take, you use the dry spoon to pick the. Friends, thank you so much for watching till the end. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends, and comment if you have any doubts, and subscribe for more videos.